Hi! Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Let's dive in. I don't know what he's doing there. What is he doing there? Oh, he's collecting some items. I wish I could have a job like him. Oh, this is a new type of shoes, which are... yeah, I get it. So you can just literally change your clothes with... oh, not just clothes. It's like Back to the Future shoes. That could be a concept. Oh, so you scan something and then it shows you, oh my god, it shows you everything that's inside, how you make coffee, or how you have to disassemble the whole machine. I think that's a future. That's definitely a future. I think we're all gonna scan QR codes soon and, I don't know, change some oil in your car, or I don't know, remove memory or SSD disk from your computer. Everything is going on right now. I think it's a toy for kids. That's true. So it learns you how to draw a hamster or a squirrel, or I don't know. That's a golden Macbook. Who needs that? Who wants that? That's crazy. I think somewhere in Dubai maybe they can... Oh, but that's heavy. No, I don't want that. Oh my god. Oh my god, how is it moving? Oh my god. Oh my god. That's amazing. So it helps you to turn, I suppose. Crazy. That's all for today. Thank you guys. That's all for today. Thank you. See you in the next video.